Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to be comparing the Stihl versus the Maruyama blowers, so stick around. Today we're looking at the Stihl BG86C, which is one of their commercial grade handheld blowers. And then we've got the Maruyama BL32, which is the only handheld blower that Maruyama makes that is rated for commercial use. So to give you a couple of the specs between the two different blowers here, this 86C is a 27.2 cc engine that is rated at 440 cubic feet per minute at about 150 miles per hour. This BL32 is a 30.1 cc engine that's rated at 450 cubic feet per minute at 180 miles per hour. The Stihl is weighing in at 9.9 pounds and the Maruyama weighs in at 9.5 pounds. So I thought that these two would be a pretty good comparison. They are both rated as commercial machines that are in the same price range. This Maruyama is around 240 bucks. The Stihl is around 270 bucks. So they're fairly close as far as price-wise, their ratings at how many cubic feet and miles per hour of air that they can move. So really these should be a fairly good side-by-side comparison. I personally have owned both of these machines for several years now. I keep one at my house and one at my shop so that I don't have to be juggling back and forth wherever I need a blower. So I have put quite a few hours of runtime on both of these machines, and there's things that I like more about one than the other, so we're going to kind of go over some of that, and then we're going to do some side-by-side comparison testing as well. One of the things that I've really liked about the Stihl over the Maruyama is it seems like it's got a little bit better vibration dampening. I think the rubber mount setup that they use to isolate the engine from the body of the machine is just a little bit better, so you don't feel the vibrations quite so much in your hand. As far as ease of starting, they both seem to start about the same. You know, it takes 3 to 4 pulls usually to get both of them started from a cold start. And then once they're hot and you're restarting them, they both fire up pretty easy in just 1 or 2 pulls. So one of the differences I've noticed on these machines is what side that the blower is sucking from on the machine. On the Maruyama, the intake air side is the side, when you're holding it in your right hand, it's the side that's next to your leg. So they actually had to put a guard on here to help keep your pant leg from getting sucked up against this and blocking off your airflow. And then your pull start would be on the right side of the machine, where the Stihl is the opposite of that. The pull start is on the left side and the blower intake is on the right side, so that you don't have to worry about that getting obstructed by your leg. So that is a little bit nicer feature that I do like on the Stihl over the Maruyama. Both of these do have shredder bagger kits available for them, where you reverse the intake and the exhaust tubes basically so that you can suck leaves up with it and it'll blow the leaves into a bag and kind of chop them up as they're going through the blower. So that is a nice feature that you can get on both of them. So we're going to go do a little side-by-side testing here and just see how these machines perform. So for the first of my very scientific test here, we just have a box with a little bit of weight in it, and I've got a mark on the floor there for a starting point and a mark on the floor here where the end of the blower is going to be. And we're going to be using the round tip on both of the blowers for this test. So basically I'm just going to start it up, go full throttle, and see how far away it blows the box, and do it a couple of times and measure it and get an average. Well guys, I gotta say I'm a little surprised at the results of the box test. Even though that wasn't a super scientific test, it was interesting to see that even though the Maruyama is rated at more CFM and more miles per hour than what the Stihl is, the Stihl was blowing the box roughly twice as far as what the Maruyama was. The Maruyama was only blowing it around 50 to 55 inches away, where the Stihl was blowing it, it got over 100 inches a couple of times, or in the upper 90s. So I'm going to say right around 100 inches average on this, and 53 inches or so average on this. So almost twice as far as what the Maruyama was doing. So that's just one way, you know, and they were both using the round tube during the test, so I was trying to make it as fair as I could, holding them in the exact same position, and the Stihl just outperformed the Maruyama. I feel like this wouldn't be a fair comparison though if we didn't go do what these things were designed to do and blow some leaves around. Alright, so after blowing some leaves around, I really got to say the Stihl just outperformed the Maruyama. Even though it's not rated at as many cubic feet or as many miles per hour, it just blew leaves better. It really blew them farther. It felt like you had more power pushing the piles of leaves around. And like I said earlier, the vibration dampening in the Stihl is completely different from this Maruyama. After running them for 5 or 10 minutes each, just back to back like that, you really feel that vibration in your hand coming off of the Maruyama, and you just don't feel that in the Stihl. Running wise, they both run very well. They're both cold-blooded when you first start them. You've got to let them warm up a little bit before you can really go full throttle with either one of them. But the Stihl just had more power and it was more comfortable to run. So I gotta, I do like the Maruyama trimmers. That's my, hands down, my favorite trimmer is the Maruyama's. But as far as this handheld blower, comparing it to the Stihl, I gotta give it to the Stihl this time. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. If you got some good value out of this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.